Welcome to accounting quiz time. How sharp are your accounting skills? Get ready to test your knowledge and don't forget to drop your answers in the comments below. Let's get started. Question number 1. What is the main purpose of accounting? Is it A, to record financial transactions? B, to produce goods and services? C, to hire employees? Or D, to advertise a company? Think carefully. The correct answer is A. The main purpose of accounting is to systematically record, analyze, and report all financial transactions of a business. It's all about keeping track of the money. All right, moving on to question 2. Which of the following is an example of an asset? Is it A, bank loan? B, office equipment? C, rent expense? Or D, a salary payment? What do you think? And the answer is B, office equipment. An asset is something valuable that a business owns and can use to generate future economic benefit. A bank loan is a liability, while rent and salary are expenses. Next up, question 3. Let's test your knowledge of the fundamental accounting equation. Assets equal liabilities plus what? Is it A, expenses? B, capital? C, revenue? Or D, income? This one is crucial. The correct answer is B, capital. The accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus capital. It shows that a company's assets are financed by either debt from creditors or equity from owners. Let us keep the momentum going with question 4. Which financial statement shows a company's profit or loss over a period of time? Is it A, the balance sheet? B, the statement of cash flows? C, the income statement? Or D, the trial balance? If you chose C, the income statement, you are absolutely right. The income statement, also known as the profit and loss statement, subtracts expenses from revenues to determine the net profit or loss. Last one, question 5. What does the term liability mean in accounting? Is it A, what the business owns? B, what the business owes? C, the profit made by the business? Or D, the total capital invested? The correct answer is B, what the business owes. Liabilities are the financial debts or obligations that a company owes to other parties, like loans, accounts payable, and mortgages. So, how did you do? Did you ace it? Tally up your score and let me know how many you got right in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz and want more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for playing.